Consistency, definition, consistency in a sentence, consistency pronunciation, consistency meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of consistency. Consistency. Con-sis-ten-cy. Consistency. Consistency as a noun means sameness or non-changing quality, or the thickness and viscosity of a liquid. Common usages in academic writing: lacked consistency, improved consistency, the consistency of the liquid. Example sentences: consistency, noun. Automation is a tried and tested way of improving the consistency in the trim and finish of a car. Example sentence number 2. After applying heat for 10 minutes, the solution should have the consistency of honey. Please write a sentence using consistency in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use consistency confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.